I'm Bernie from Parker, South Dakota, and I own a construction company. We raise barrel horses, but there's a lot of work that goes into just that part of it on what we do. Before I had my shoulder surgery, I was really limited on what I could do on day-to-day activities of no movement in it. The pain that I was having, I couldn't sleep at night.
After evaluating him, we determined that he had arthritis in his shoulder that was causing his symptoms. And after discussing it further with him, he decided to go ahead and proceed with the shoulder replacement.
Since getting my shoulder replaced, it's been way better as far as what I can do. I can pretty much go back to everything that I was doing.